said I'm going to wait for you outside there. I will not go inside until you come. But I asked you not to go there. Okay, who's your mother? Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
And you disobeyed me. Anytime I ask you not to do anything, don't do it. Are you getting it?
Okay, mother, but I'm doing the right thing. Because you don't have a nature doesn't give her the right to treat you bad. I will not allow anybody to come here and insult you anyhow.
I understand you, my dear. You shouldn't have confronted her. It is very dangerous. She might harm you in one way or the other. And when you were going there, no weapon, nothing. You don't have to defend yourself. I am here to protect you. Let me protect you. And that is why I'm asking you not to go there. It's very dangerous.
Okay, mother.
Next time, don't do that.
Okay. Thank you.
Let's go inside.
Enika! 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 Eki, you said you are smart. I will tell you that I am more smarter than you in this head. A stubborn flare that followed the corpse to the grave does not need to tell the story. You say you want to go for a concert, Abi. I will see how you are going to win that 1 million for your useless mother. Eki, I will make sure I deal with you in this village. You will not come out alive today. Enika!
Eki, I had a terrible dream last night. I will not want you to go to anywhere today. Don't go to the farm. Don't go to the stream. Don't tell me you want to go and fetch firewood. In fact, we have more than enough at home. I don't want you to leave the home. This home today you are not leaving.
Mama, it's okay. I thought you prayed.
I have prayed, I know. But I'm still not convinced over it.
Mama,
I say you are not leaving this house.
Mama, it's just a small portion in the farm. I'm coming. Wait, let me go and take my hoe.
You are still talking about the farm.
Mama, I'll be back. I'm coming.
Hey, don't say I didn't warn you.
Mama, I'm coming.
I have told you, don't go anywhere.
I'll be back.
Can you imagine? Eki!
Hey, good evening. How are you? Nice work. Shut up now, may you calm down. May you calm down.
Please, sir.
See, if you do like this, if you do like this, we go pay you. Shut up. Get mad.
Please, don't kill me. Please, don't kill me.
We look like killers for you then.
We be like killers.
We just want to help you. We don't want to kill you. In fact, make I tell you,
Don't kill me.
my papa, now pastor.
My mama a minister. Calm down. See, If you dey shout, the thing will pain you. Pain you, but you calm down, eh? You go enjoy am, and I go enjoy am too.
Calm down, we don't want to kill you. We just want to help you.
Open the well, might just throw small bucket. Finish, I just fetch small. Only the... Alpha.
Help the ministry.
You shout.
Alpha. Be like see the baby don't go.
She don't go.
Like see she don't let go.
Man. Move her now.
Alpha.
Move her. Time not day.
She move. Move her now.
Eki! She's coming back from the farm. Or could it be? No! Eki! Wake up now, Eki, please now, wake up.
Hey, what's happening here?
Thank God you are here. Please, thank God, please help me take her so I can take her to the seat, please.
Oh!
Please now,
You don't buy this baby.
So you don't do this with you like this. What are you talking about? I was working when I saw her here. That's not true. What are you guys saying?
Hey!
Eki.
So,
Sit down.
What are you saying?
buy this baby.
That's not true. I did not kill her. No! I did not kill her. Begin to confess. Begin to confess. I was coming when I saw. I said, please, that's not. I said, make them confess.
I said talk. What?
Help me. We should be helping her. Not you accusing me of what I did not do now. Is this not Eki?
You don't buy the baby.
Her name is Eki. She's my friend.
I
was coming when I saw her lying. What happened to my Eki?
Yeah, you buy am.
No, it's not true. It's not true.
You don't buy
I said, make them confess. What happened? I did not kill her. Peter,
This guy.
Mikey.
Are you killer?
Mikey.
Will they carry this guy go somewhere?
Mikey.
Move on. Move this guy. Move this guy.
Please now. Mikey.
I said, move this guy. Please.
Bring him up. Get up. I did not kill her. I did not kill her. I'll get up. I'll stand up.
You
get up.
Stand up. What is small wood?
I did not kill her.
Stand up.
What is small wood? For this small wood.
Begin to walk out.
My baby.
Stand.
No.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
They move. Please now. I did not kill. They move.
Oh yeah.
Eki.
What is man?
Hola. Please.
Hola. You don't.
They're not asking them now. Please no. I did not kill her. Let's just wake her up.
Move. I said move. What is this one? Great. No, wait.
Eki.
Why forbidding me? What did you do?
You know this fool.
Yeah.
This guy don't buy your friend Eki.
That's not true.
I don't understand.
Shut up. I dey lie.
That's not true. That's not true.
You dey call me liar.
You don't understand.
No.
You know the hear word. I be hold on to your ear.
Close friends. You know I can't take
I said this guy.
Talking of doing it.
This guy don't buy. You don't buy your
I
friend.
did not kill her.
You know the way thing.
So I did not kill her.
With the lie. She's down the road there. Go see for yourself. I said, move me. What? You're my boss. You're mad. No where.
Eki. Oh my God, Eki. Oh my God. My God, what is this to you, Eki? What happened? Eki, please talk to me. I'm your friend, Eki. Eki, talk to me, please. Eki. Oh my God. Eki. I can't tell me, Eki. Eki. No.
Aki! Did you go to the farm again? I said it all! Yeah! Mr. Girl!
What is it?
Aki! I saw Aki!
Quiet!
I told her not to go to the farm!
Quiet!
She went to the farm!
Now, as I am looking at you, just get out of my compound. I don't want to set my eyes on you. Stay with me.
Please stop! Please stop!
Nonsense.
Let me see. That one, let me see. That one. It's okay. Put yourself together. Can you not bring her back? She has gone, no. She has left us. It's okay. Stop crying. Now, honestly, put yourself together. Honestly. Okay. Hello, sir. Where are you going to? What happened? I never come back.
Oh, butter my man!
Hey, my Rigi!
I see the
I am master the dinner.
Man, I just do. I see the
Man, just give me this one. I may just. I be one finish up with this one.
Here's your remaining balance. Have it.
I don't understand. Just enter here. Yeah, you're in balance. You know sabi greet.
But like say you not get senior man picture for your village.
You know sabi greet.
Good afternoon.
You have to.
Please take it. Here's your money.
Hope say this thing complete.
How it is quiet.
Not complete, eh? Now dash for you.
Wow. I thought she said she's strong. Why can't she handle you guys?
You know they see. You know they see me every day. See, we don't run your job well for you. Clean. So what do you defend?
Alpha, Shady. I say make the disco.
I don't understand.
You see, make you the dance. Let me turn your back.
For Ghana, I will say Fioko.
See, Yash. You know, move. Anyway, sha. Oh, enter that bank.
We enter now.
Mama, stop crying. I heard what happened. That's why I came. Please take heart. Cool your temper and everything will be fine. You have to change your mood and stop crying. Please. Hey, Eki, I missed you so much. Why? Eki, why? Mama, please stop crying. Stop. I hate seeing your mood like this. You have to stop. Oh, please. Eki.
So, where are you coming from?
I want to see Mama Eki.
What happened to her?
Her daughter is dead.
Is that so?
Yes.
It's all right.
I was already getting hungry. So, I'm going out. Before I come, prepare my food.
Papa? I just said your late brother's only daughter is dead. And all you will say is food! Papa!
Wow, give me. Oh, so because Eki died, I should not eat again. Oh, listen. Were you told that I have hand in her death? Am I her killer? In no way.
This is wicked.
Papa,
where is your conscience? Where is your conscience? No!
Ekimeo, oh my God. Oh. My daughter. My daughter. You are welcome. I have missed you so much. Don't bother to go back.
Mother.
Come inside. This is your home. Come in. Come in, my dear.
Mother.
It's alright. It's alright. My dear. Come. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Who has done this to me? Hey!
Uncle.
Eddie.
Uy did not kill me.
Then who did? No. No. Uji cannot be innocent. Uji can't be innocent. Uji must pay for... Uji must die. In fact, the sister refused to give in to me. A whole me. She refused to give that small, she refused to give in to me. Uji must be stoned to death. Uji must be stoned to death. No. What is it?
Please, Yeki, please. Please, my brother is innocent. Please, Yeki. Please, let me withdraw the case, please, Yeki. I'm begging you, please. I'm begging you, please. My brother is innocent, please. Withdraw the case, Yeki. Please, let me withdraw the case. Withdraw the case, please. My brother is innocent, please. I'm begging you, please. Please, Yeki, please. Withdraw the case, please. Please, withdraw the case, I'm begging. Please, withdraw the case, please. My brother is innocent, please. My brother is innocent.
Yeah. I don't live in here. Yeah, I'll call you back today.
Please don't allow them to kill my brother.
See.
Please help me.
Do you have any proof that your brother is innocent?
No. When he was alive, they were best of friends.
See, you know I have the power to free your brother. The only thing is just agree to my request. You want to work here.
Because I refuse to give you my body. Because I refuse to give you my body, Epa, you want to manipulate me. You wanted to kill my brother.
Listen, nah, it's not quarrel. See, you know.
May God judge you.
Emma, tell me.
Almighty God is watching you.
Will you get out of my house? Get out of here! Get out of my house! Stingy girl. Oh my dear, okay, me damn it. You walk your hair, can you? I see where you're going. Let your brother die. Your brother will die for nothing. Selfish fool. Idiot. Who are who did the work here? Nonsense. Hello, my dear.
I got one now. I'm being sick now. I mean, I'm poor.
I did not break it.
I'm now called the food.
You need to get this.
I make I say lighter for you. Why they do like say you just start smoking and I mean the tissue?
Don't know.
I'll go tell man and say I mean the tissue party.
See they be like this, I wish for they get this kind of job, If they make sense.
That guy. The way things they go now, this is our business, they go well.
I'm clear matter.
If not this guy do one day they come sell this steady on them normal, to be big boys now.
I wish we would get this kind of job every time. Everybody clear for outside.
I go so enter I go ball.
No, see, I for suggest here, when we get this village, you do this kind of clean job.
That may calm down now. We're not village champion. We got upgrade now. Sure.
Hey, no, I said yes, I don't go, I don't. I don't do like this. My don't dirty.
The only brother I've got in your world.
I was about to be stoned to death.
Hey! Sanoba.
When the news came that the real perpetrators of the death of Eki has been found.
Thank God!
Thank God I was freed.
Thank God.
I was beaten up.
Jesus.
I was tortured for what I knew nothing about.
Thank God for everything.
But I thank God. My only pain is that like he's dead and gone.
Oh, innocent girl.
Friend.
Oh, those guys are wicked.
Very wicked.
Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God for everything. Thank God.
Please, I need water. I need water.
Okay.
Thank you.